Hey, welcome to another video. Yeah, in this video it's summer and I want to test out a new window washer fluid. And because I'm in a tropical mood, I'm going to try out this Sonax Havana Love. I'm expecting it to smell fantastic, like a vacation in Cuba in the Caribbean. Let's see what this looks like and how it performs. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Those kids. I like it when I spray this window washing fluid and smell this product. And let me know if you've been to Havana, but I remember that these beautiful cars were there. The people are always happy there. They're playing their guitars. It's colorful. There's flowers. Really, this whole Latin vibe appeals to me, especially since I'm here in the Netherlands and yeah, I'm not really going on a vacation this year because so. And immediately after opening this up, I smell it. Yeah, I smell all sorts of fruits. I smell flowers. I'm really liking this. Sounds very tropical. Sounds very relaxed. If you've ever been to a nice, let's say resort, all-inclusive resort, and you keep these flowers there, yeah, it just smells like that. And it's very tropical, very refreshing. I think I'll be spraying much more than I really need to this summer. But yeah, this is really much better than the standard citrus smell you get from the supermarket. And yeah, supposedly it also should perform a bit better. I have to be honest with you, I've tried a couple of these expensive ones and I mainly buy them because of the smell. The performance I think is also good, but you can get the same thing for a couple of euros. But if you like the type of smell, let me know what's your favorite and which one I should test. And I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Let's go and put this in the car. So, and as I'm pouring this all over my car and not in the right hole almost, it splatters everywhere, there I go again. I can tell you it looks very nice, it looks orange, pinkish. It really has a nice strong smell. And yeah, I can see it looks a bit like Cuban cigars, the color, Cuban flowers, like rum. All these nice associations I have from my short trip to Cuba when we went there with the cruise ship. Yeah, let me know if you've been to Cuba. And let me know also what's your favorite washer fluid. But this is going to be really nice, and in the summer every time to have this nice smell in your car. Yeah, and if it's anything near Latin America or Cuban, which is dear to my heart, then it's going to be a great summer, and especially when you drive every time to have this, that's really really nice. I'll put the link in the description where I got this. This is the smallest package. You also have bigger ones, but yeah, this is just very easy. See, it goes in, up, all the way to the top. And that's it basically. Now let's try in the car and see how it cleans. So we're now in the car. I have turned on the airco. It's blowing towards me through the holes. I'm waiting for Havana to come through the holes. Let's spray. Here comes the first spray. I'm smelling. Oh la la, oh la la. Wow. Oh, that's really nice. That's so refreshing. Wow. Well, let's do a bit more. Super nice. And another thing I notice is that my screen is of course very clean, but it just glides over the screen. I think it is just, I don't know, maybe there's something in there that makes it a little bit softer. Let's do also the rear a bit. Ah, sehr schön. And the smell is like, yeah, it's refreshing. It comes to you. It's very decent, but you can smell it. And I think if you have something like this, you also don't need to buy any more air refreshers because, yeah, this is just the whole car smells very pleasant now. Yeah, and that's just another video. Yeah, I mean, how do you make a video about a screen wash? How do you channel your enthusiasm? I try to do it like this. I try to describe the smell. Of course, you can buy any screen wash you like, but I guess it also depends from car to car. I mean, in this car, I really smell it. But in the car of my wife, the Renault Zoe, I smell it quite less. So it probably also depends on the car how much you actually smell. But go ahead and give it a try. I really like this. I hope you can sense my enthusiasm. Write me in the comments what you like and what you would like me to try next. And I'm wishing you a fantastic summer with clear vision. And if you go to Cuba, send greetings to me, to the people there. And I hope you have a fantastic summer. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.